So
Mm-hmm.
we need two kind of thing like that. Until we need this. Yeah.
Stop.
Until that's no part. It's the antelope. Yeah, here we go. And how hard?
Wow, what is that?
Antelope.
Wow, this is antelope. Next.
Next?
Yes, antelope,
Okay.
giraffe, and bull.
I saw keep it here.
Okay, go. And then
I
do
saw
it next.
keep it here.
Okay.
No need to bring them together with the antelope.
Okay, and then next. What's next? And then what
Next.
next? Okay, go.
Exciting
Silent.
to look what?
Yeah.
Is that animal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. That's what we need to fix
Okay.
so that we can do the huge feet. It's a camel.
Wow, hello, camel.
It's the
Wow, you have a nice Lego animal in here. Have camel, giraffe, antelope,
and bull.
Wow. And the one who make it is the boy name. What is your name?
Luca.
Oh.